Gucci on my booty. Popping like a toolie. You ain't popping, need to cool it. Just cash it with my jeweler. Why you stuck? You looking stupid. I'm winning, why they losing? Come and get him, cause he choosing.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Lady Jess, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with this holiday look. Christmas is upon us. So this is the look I came up with. It's pretty, I want to say simple, but it took me a while to even come up with it. But it's alright. This little Christmas look that you can wear anytime during the season. Don't go to work with this. It might be a little too much for that. But a party, this is it. So if you want to learn how I got this look and see the products that I use and everything, make sure you continue to watch this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. And also don't forget to comment down below. Interact with me. Talk to me. Please. Talk. I don't bite. Only my food. So to start off with this look, I'm going to start by priming my face with my Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer and my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. This is the e.l.f. My cheeks. I've already moisturized my face with my aloe vera gel. And the Smashbox primer is going into my T-zone. Now, while that's sitting on my face, I do put powder on my face to pretty much, because I have really oily skin, so I put powder on my face to kind of suck that up and make my face more matte throughout the day. So I'll be using the Airspun translucent powder to set my oily areas. Long sponge for me to use. Okay. Now that that's done, I get started on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, but I'll be back. So just to tell y'all what I'm gonna use. So the brow pencil I use is the Eyelure dark brown pencil, and then the concealer I use is the LA Girl concealer in Toast near the front of my brow, and the shade Toffee near the tail of my brow. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the brows and concealing is done, it's time to go in with foundation. So today I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Tiramisu. I had gotten the trial size of it and loved it, so I had to buy the full bottle. I think this is one of the new shades that Jackie Aina came out with. So shout out to her for having a shade fit for me. I'm gonna spray my brush with some rose water. And this is like from one of those brush sets you buy on Amazon. Good brushes though, and easily replaceable if they so happen to get messed up. I'm going with the foundation. I just used 2 full pumps. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Dark 42 and the shade Dark 46. I use Dark 42 under my eyes. And I go in with Dark 46 also under my eyes, but also my chin, forehead, and those other spots. I'm just gonna spray my face with some. Oh, dang. Now I'm just gonna spray my face with some rose water and then blend it all out. And I'm just gonna go back in with my foundation brush and blend out like the outside so it doesn't look too harsh. And I'm going to set my face with the CoverGirl, what's this, loose powder in the shade Translucent Medium. Using this e.l.f. kabuki brush. And I'm going to bake my face with Black Radiance's loose setting powder in the shade Banana. And while we let that bake on our face, we're going to get started with our eye look. So since it's the holiday season, I was thinking something Christmas-y. So pretty much that means red and green. So for this eye look, I'm going to do something I usually don't do, which is prime my eyes directly, which with ColourPop's concealer in the shade Tan 50. I'm going with Let's Roll from the Too Faced Dream Queen palette in my crease. Let's go in with the red color from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette Koji. I'm gonna use this brush. Go in with the shade Zakia from the Magic Palette. Go towards my brow. I'm gonna go into my eyes with a deeper red look or shade. So I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and need a brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade, what's this called? Jax. Probably, I'm gonna mix that with something. I don't know. I'll go with Jax on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm gonna go into the Take Me to Brazil palette for a red, for that red color. I'm just gonna put that a little bit above. I'm gonna go back in with the Too Faced Dream Queen palette and put Cozy Up on my lid. This is kind of the eye look we're going for the top. So all I did was like put glitter in the shape of a crease. Glitter is getting everywhere though. So I did this eye, so now I'm gonna do this eye on camera. So all I did was take like a lip brush, or like a flat brush like this. Carve it out. I'm using the NYX glitter primer as well as the glitter. I'm not sure if the shade is red, but it looks reddish. Okay. So usually I put the glitter on with one side of the brush. I put the primer on with one side of the brush and flip it and put glitter on with the other side. And I don't go too close to my lash line because I am going to use eyeliner. Okay, so this is the glitter part that we're going for. Now I am going to dust this bake off from my face. I'm going to be using my glitter everywhere. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder in the shade Cocoa. Okay, and I'm gonna line my bottom lash line with this black eyeliner from Urban Decay. I don't know why I put this away because I'm gonna need this. It's a little different, I know. I'm gonna go in with this green from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette and put it and smudge it underneath my lash line. It'll be this green. I'm gonna see how that looks. Let's see if I want to go deeper or not. Also gonna go in with the green glitter color from the Juvia's Place Magic palette and put that under my lash line as well. Know a lot is going on, but now we're just going to, I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll be right back. So lashes are on. That's what we have so far. And so for contour, I'm gonna go in with my usual Black Radiance and pressed powder in the shade Black Coffee. And before I do my highlight and blush, I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So for highlight, I'm gonna go in with ColourPop's highlight in the shade Avalon. Oh my nose. Like, it's not a highlighter that's like in your face, but you'll notice it. So here's what I'm gonna do in the meantime. I'm gonna do my lips and I'm gonna change my hair and I'll be back. I might change my shirt too. But we'll be back with the finished look. So guys, I'm back. I have changed my hair, my shirt, my lips are done, and I have lashes on. So this is the finished look. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you think about this look. Merry Christmas.